What's up, people? It's Dan, the Prelude dude. Welcome back to the parts, guys. Today, we're talking about the mistakes I've made and what I'm gonna do to fix them. Alright. Alright, if you've seen the last video, you already know what happened, but if you haven't, I'll bring you up to speed. Basically, I'm a dummy and I didn't secure my hood correctly, and it flew open, smashed the windshield, dented the roof, kind of ruined the sunroof. Alright, so as you can see, terrible windshield, terrible hood, and looking pretty bad up there. But anyways, so what I'm gonna do about this now, some of you are probably thinking, oh yeah, just scrap the car, you know, it's rotted anyways, and I could do that. I could just pull the motor and scrap it. But one thing my girlfriend reminded me of is we just put glass coverage on this, so tomorrow I have a new windshield being put in, so that part's covered. I'm gonna take the hood off. For the meantime, I'm not gonna be driving it, so that's not a big deal. I'll keep it in the carport. And since the windshield's getting replaced, I want to take care of the rust spots on the pillars. There's one over here, another one on the other side, and then this spot I've already started working on. You can see, let me try and focus. There we go. So yeah, you can see in here, I've been working on it. It's still pretty pitted, and there's still some rust down in there. I got some more work to do on it. I'm just using 80 grit sandpaper and a sanding block. So it's the next day, and as you can see, the windshield's still smashed. I did my few little rust repairs going on around the windshield, but the guy from Safelite was not comfortable replacing the windshield, thinks it won't seal, there's probably rust underneath the windshield. So now what I'm left with is taking the windshield out myself, making sure that there isn't any rust under there, and if there is, I got to repair it and move on from that. And then they'll come out and they'll replace my windshield. So either way, I'm getting a windshield for free, but I got more work to do then. I thought that was gonna be nice and easy. It's not. You can see, let's take a look at the spots I worked with yesterday. Yeah, I stayed up late working on this, man. I don't know. There's still, you can still see the pitting and stuff in there. You may not be able to see that right now, but you can still see the pitting and everything. All I did was sand it down and then seal it with the primer. I haven't put any body filler or anything like that. I'm gonna do that down the road, but now since I gotta take the windshield out myself and take care of the sill underneath there, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get the body filler and fill all the spots around that I was gonna wait to do. I'll probably do that now. But yeah, so I guess all I'm gonna do still today is take the hood off, because I didn't do that. I said I was gonna do that. So I'll take the hood off, and then on the next video I'll pick up a tool to take out the windshield, and we'll work on taking that out and doing more rust repair. I am not a body guy. I've never done body work. This is all just, you know, stuff I've heard and sort of seen people do. I'm sure I'm doing stuff wrong, but whatever. Looks like it's supposed to, sort of. That's good for me. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Let me get in the shade so I can see. I don't have to squint. Alright, you know, I'm Dan, the Prelude dude, the Deadlude dude. This is the parts, guys. we'll see you on the next video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, do all that stuff. We'll see you next time.